Hey everyone, as we all know that dates of various examinations to be conducted by the national testing agencies are out, and we all know that it's trending on number 1 on the Twitter that students and their parents wants to get this JEE NEET exam postponed, and our respected minister Subramaniam sir is also in this favor of not to conduct the exam in September. So, on this basis, we can say that there are chances that a NET JRF exam can also be postponed. No, I'm not saying that it will be delaying or for surely get postponed, but if we analyze the situation around the scenario, this pandemic COVID-19, where we are scared of going out of our homes, and the government itself is reminding us by a caller tune, as we all hear it daily basis, that to stay at home, not to go out, and that very report where we have been told that the cases of corona or this disease will be on peak in the month of September. So how it will be possible to keep all of these facts, these reports side, and to step out from our homes, and like some students from rural areas, they just belong to very backward areas, how they will come, and they have to come to their centers for this exam, and most probably centers will be out of easy reach. Out of easy reach, by this I mean that they need to travel in order to give their exams, and it's not hidden to anyone that traveling is not safe in this context. And if we not talk about this traveling and all, what about the center? How we can say that centers will be safe? There would be no patient of corona. Who will take the responsibility of handling these lakhs of students in number? How long and how many safety and precautions could be followed there? And because of these difficulties itself, there is a high chance of postponement of this exam too. Well, whatever it will be, we should remember our main focus is not these situation or anything else, but our main focus must be on our goal, and that is to crack this NET JRF exam. Instead of any other assumption, we all should set our target according to these dates only, that are 16 September to 25th September. We must not wait for any postponement or any other thing, as we can apply a very simple logic here. It is, we would be prepared for the exam in September if we start our study according to these given dates, and if anyhow they would change the schedule, then it will be like we are going to earn some extra points because we would be having some more time then. So my advice is that don't waste this crucial time, just sit tight and accelerate your preparation. That is the only thing which is going to give you a success. Well, now let's talk about some important dates of NET as well as some PhD MPhil entrance dates of some most prominent universities are out, and dates are following. Delhi University entrance test, that is known as DUET 2020, 6 September 2020 to 11 September 2020, and there will be 3 shifts per day, and the PhD entrance will be on 6th September in the first session, and the IGNOU PhD admission test would be on 4th October 2020 in the morning session. Next PhD entrance test from Jawaharlal Nehru University entrance exam, that is known as JNUEE 2020, would be from 28 September to 4th of October. The time and shifts would be given on admit cards itself. And last, our UGC National Eligibility Test, that is UGC NET 2020, will be on from 16 September to 25 September. So if you have any query, the email ID is also given there along with the contact number. As you can see on your screen, the email ID is given on the official email link is there. The downloading of admit card. if we talk about the admit cards, when will be the admit cards released? The downloading of admit cards indicating roll number, center, date, shift and timing of examination will commence about 15 days before the date of examination on the respective official websites of these examinations. So 15 days before means if these dates are going to be fixed, these 16 to 25 September dates are going to be fixed, then most probably the admit cards will be releasing on 1st or 2nd September 2020, as they have mentioned it before the 15 days of exam date. So get ready friends, as the dates are decided by NTA. So fast up your preparation and keep watching my videos. I'll be coming back with such required information. This is Hina signing off from this video. Thank you.